how to create items in monday.com from LinkedIn leads automatically. So as soon as the user is submitting this LinkedIn lead generation form, we will automatically add these leads as an items in monday.com. In this way, you can organize, you can manage all your LinkedIn leads at a single place, and further you can quickly follow up your potential clients. So if you also want to sync your LinkedIn leads with the monday.com, come with me and I will show you the whole process step by step. Now to automate this process, I'll have to connect a LinkedIn lead generation form with the monday.com, and I'm going to connect these two with the Pabbly Connect. It is an integration and automation software, and I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect. So here you can see I am already logged in. You can also create your free account in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free task to test this automation. Now once you will reach to the dashboard, simply click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have provided the name as Sing LinkedIn Leads with the monday.com. Now click on create, and then you will notice two boxes in front of you. Alright, so these are trigger and action, and here trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application. And here, according to our use case, whenever any new lead is arrived via LinkedIn lead generation form, then automatically add those leads in monday.com. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in this trigger and action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so I have selected the same. Now the idea here is I'm going to connect these two applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so firstly I will select the trigger event, that is new lead generation form response. Okay, so I want that whenever a new form response is received, this automation should trigger, or you can say the details should be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, for that I'll have to first build a connection. So simply click on connect, then click on add new connection, click on this connect with the LinkedIn lead generation form, and then you will have to provide the access of your LinkedIn account. Okay, I have already provided this connection, this access, so I will go with the existing connection, basically with the previous connection, and then clicking on save, and this is how you will notice my LinkedIn lead generation forms will be connected with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so whatever the accounts are available inside my LinkedIn account have started visible here. Okay, so I am going to select this Naveen Kole account. Okay, so it has got selected automatically. Now whatever the forms, LinkedIn lead generation forms I have created inside my account, those are also started visible here. Okay, so here you can notice all these forms are visible here. So before I select any lead generation form here, firstly I will take you to this advertise section, and here you can notice a group name, that is Pabbly Connect, and in this campaign group name you will notice a campaign name, that is lead generation. Okay, and in this campaign name you will notice that I am running two advertisement. Okay, these are two advertisement. Well, currently these are into the draft mode, and I will work in the draft mode only because I am creating this automation just to show you how things can be created. Okay, this is not any live ad. Okay, so let me first open this advertisement in front of you and assume that a user has landed on this advertisement and he might find your advertisement interesting. Okay, what is this advertisement all about? Okay, looking to hire a digital marketing expert for your business? Fill the form below and we will contact you shortly. And if user will click on this apply now button, he will notice this LinkedIn lead generation form from where he can contact us. He can actually provide the details. Okay, looking for a digital marketing for your agency or business, fill this form, share your details with us, and we will get back to you. Okay, so here I'm going to provide some dummy details only. Okay, admin@pabblytudes.com. I am providing this particular email address. Again, I will add a random phone number, that is 98888 and 88888. Okay, so I have provided the 10-digit number, and here you can notice in the first name, last name, it has already taken the default values. Now from where it is taking these default values, let me show you. If I will open this page and if I will edit this page in front of you, you will notice that in the profile section, okay, let me first click on this profile. In the profile section, when I am editing this page, the first name and last name is actually provided as Pabbly and subscription billing management service. Basically, a page is associated, my company page is associated with this particular LinkedIn account, and this is the name of the page, okay, and that is why this LinkedIn lead generation form is taking those default values as the first name and last name. And don't worry about that, I'm not running any live advertisement, so I will go with this dummy data only, that is admin@pabblytudes.com, okay, and again I will add the phone number, and the first name and last name will be the same. Don't worry, in your case you will be able to work on the real data if you are working on the live advertisement. Now I am going to click on this submit button, and as soon as the submission will made, I will directly click on the save and send test request button. But before that, let me show you, this form was associated with our advertisement, okay, so this was the advertisement. Let me edit that ad and show you what particular form is associated with this advertisement, okay. If I will click on this form details button, you will notice this sample lead generation form, okay, so that is why I have selected the same. Now I am going to click on this button save and send test request, and you will notice that the form submission details will be received via Pabbly Connect as a response. Alright, so the response is received. Let me show you the details one by one. So here we have the form name, that is sample lead generation form. Let me also show you other details. Alright, so here we have the details as the phone number, here we have the account name, here we have the first name, last name, email address, and the company name, okay. So the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between LinkedIn lead generation form and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine, okay. And now I want to add these leads as an item in mundane.com, okay. So the application is selected already. I am going to select the action event, that is create items, since I wanted to do the same. And just like we have built a connection in Pabbly Connect and LinkedIn lead generation form, now we will build a connection in mundane.com and Pabbly Connect, okay. And for the connection, it is asking for the token, okay. So from where you can get this token, firstly you'll have to go to your mundane.com application, click on this profile section, click on this administration section, then click on this API section, and here you will notice the API. Let me copy the same, come back to my dashboard, paste the same here, clicking on save, and this is how the connection in between mundane.com and Pabbly Connect will be successful. Now here you can notice whatever the boards are available inside my mundane.com application have started visible here, okay. So I'm going to work in which particular board. Basically I am going to add all my LinkedIn leads in this lead converting team, okay. I want that all the leads should be added in this specific board, so that my team can access all the LinkedIn leads from this dashboard itself, and whenever they want to follow up their leads and try to convert them, they can easily do that. They don't have to depend on anyone, okay. So let me first come back to Pabbly Connect dashboard, okay, and we have the name as lead converting team, and we have the group name as new leads via LinkedIn ads, okay. So we will be selecting the same, that is lead converting team, and in the group we will select this new leads via LinkedIn ads. Now it is asking few more details, so I'm going to provide only the important, the necessary details, which is item name, okay. In this item name I am going to add the email address. So let me click on this particular field, and you will notice the above data which we have just captured from our LinkedIn lead generation form application is visible here, okay. So I'm going to map this data from this drop down, okay. So it is asking for the item name, and here I would like to map the email address, okay. So I have searched for this email address, let me map the same, okay. Now you must be thinking that what is this mapping? So whatever the details we will map here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time, and if I will provide any data manually, this data will remain same, okay. So this is the difference in mapping and providing the data manually, okay. So if you want that the details should be replaced automatically, in that case you will always have to map those values, okay. And this is how these values will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in the next time, asking for the name of the lead, phone number, okay. Well, I have created these two columns manually, okay, and the same columns are visible here because I have selected the same group and the same board, okay. So let me provide the name, the phone number details, okay. So name of the lead, well, remember we have captured the dummy details, that is Pabbly and subscription billing management as a second name as the last name, okay. So firstly I will give a space, and then I am going to provide the last name, which was subscription billing management service, asking for the phone number. Remember, we have also provided the phone number. Alright, so here we have the phone number. Okay, so I think I have provided all the important details, basically the lead email address, the lead name and the phone number. Now I am going to click on this button, save and send test request, and fingers crossed, I am really expecting this data to be updated. Alright, so here you can notice the response is received and this response is positive. So let me go back to my monday.com application, and here you can notice the item has been created with the same email ID, with the same name and with the same phone number. So this is how now onwards, every time someone is going to submit your LinkedIn lead generation form, the details will be collected firstly in our Pabbly Connect dashboard in every 10 minutes. Why in every 10 minutes? Because this trigger will check for the new data in 10 minutes, and the trigger here is the polling based. Okay, so just in case if your automation is not working in real time, if the data is not getting updated in real time, don't worry about that. You'll have to wait patiently for at least 10 minutes, and further the details will be automatically added in monday.com. Okay, once you will set this automation inside Pabbly Connect, after that you do not have to do anything manually. You can sit back and relax because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. And just in case if you want to access this automation, I will also attach the link of my automation in the description box. You just need to click on this link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.